very quiet car to a very loud car. Matter of 30 seconds.
And they were also all hyped. Oh, a quiet little economy car.
That's the first thing that happened.
Wheels, take 2. Got some nice young Enkeis on this bitch. Big old 14 inches. Well, big for this car.
It's an upgrade for this car from 12s to 14s. This is like taking...
Fucking mint clearance, like barely.
I actually do want to see how close the clearance is on this thing. It's
yeah,
legit.
I can't get my fingers back there.
Let me take a look. Oh my god.
It's a centimeter from rubbing.
Oh, it actually, no, it is rubbing.
Get the hammer. Just give her a couple taps.
You're not wrong.
I mean that.
But it's gonna go in a little bit too. But yeah, it'll work.
When the car's on the ground, it's gonna go up, and that spot might be on the inside of the rim.
Oh, you're right.
So let's drop the car and then see.
Well, you don't need to drop the car. You can really just lift up the suspension a little bit. Oh, no.
Yeah. You sure about that?
Okay, go ahead and drop it. I guess we'll go ahead and drop the car a little bit. See what happens.
Just fucking immediately hits the fender.
It's so tight. The clearance is so tight.
I mean, that's mint. These Enkeis are looking fucking good. Oh, you're clear, boy.
Wait, am I?
Yeah?
Alright, let me get down there and see.
I mean, you got fucking 1/4 inch clearance.
Yo, dude.
They look good, though.
They do. They actually fit the gap pretty nice.
I wish those wheels would have fit on the Saturn. They look so much better than the ones that are on there.
I don't know, I'm kind of glad they fit on this thing. I just need to get lower profile tires for it, but that's actually really good.
I mean, they fill the arches nicely.
Better than those.
Yeah. That fucking wheel gap fit like 10 pairs of Jordans in that bitch.
This is the one I'm worried about, is the steering angle. Although, I might not add... No, it's definitely going to rub.
Yeah.
It's definitely going to rub it.
You ain't gonna be taking any sharp turns. NASCAR. 3-cylinder life. I foresee an issue.
I don't. That gap will stay the same. You just can't go over bumps.
Yeah, because that's avoidable.
It is
in this great state that we live in.
I mean, this car is so light, you could go over a bump and probably not trigger the suspension at all.
I love it when my car parts are held on by exterior visible screws.
I'm gonna go turn it.
Oh, you'll feel it. You don't need me to do anything.
Yeah. When I start hitting. That's a little off.
I mean, you're touching, but barely.
Am I still touching?
Oh, hang on. No, you're just touching this fucking plastic guard. Let me just rip that off real quick. I can't fucking tell.
Does it hit the body?
Yeah, maybe. The fucking flap's still in the way, and it's sandwiching the flap. I think it will hit, but not much. You're touching on the actual fucking face of the tire.
Okay.
But, like, barely. You'll rub right through that.
Okay. Front one's on.
Now the issue is with fucking pulling this thing off. Fucking expose your belts, though. Pulling this fucking plastic guard off under here.
That whole shot's just gonna be on your nuts the whole time. You know this?
Oh. Sorry, guys. It's hard to be a cameraman and work at the same time.
Feel that from here.
Yeah, the clip still didn't pop. The plastic around it just broke. That's some fucking American-made clip for you. Don't worry about that awful fucking oil leak from the oil pan gasket, ladies and gentlemen. Don't even worry about it.
We'll just slap some RTV on it.
We'll just pretend like it didn't happen.
I mean, some Bono will fill that out. I mean, fix that. I mean, brand new wheels. These are brand new, even though they say Honda.
Honda Enkei.
On on the
That old partnership that no one knew existed.
I'm not worried about that. We'll clean it later.
Define clean.
Well,
Define later.
well, when we
Define wheel.
next time we're at the car wash, I'll deal with it. I'll just put it to the pressure washer. All right, let's see where she fits.
The peer pressure one?
That one. Okay.
If they complain, it's because they weren't wearing their supplied safety equipment.
That they weren't, or I was.
Probably both.
I'm gonna go complain to OSHA.
They weren't wearing their glasses!
No, then they're gonna call me complaining. Let's complain. So these guys, they're doing some I can hear them sawzalling some stuff. Okay, what's the problem, ma'am? I'm not wearing my safety glasses! They didn't supply me.
They didn't yell noise before they started.
Before they started sawzalling.
That thing is filthy. Jeez.
It also doesn't fit.
Looks like it's been in a goddamn flood. Yeah. No,
That's not happening. We're just gonna bite into that bracket that's right in there.
Yeah, that's the kind of contact you want to see when you're sawing.
What? Oh, lit. It's only on the weld. The one weld. It's tight.
Just send it.
So I'm gonna go for it.
We're only gonna lose a couple of fingers. We'll still have a couple more. Got it. Some animals have made their fucking home in the end of this muffler.
That's a lot thicker than I originally anticipated. So, here's what they don't teach you about using a sawzall. When you're doing metal, you go through blades like shit. Like, I'm pretty sure that was only a solid 30 seconds of sawing before it actually decided to die. One blade down, one to go, but it's only, how many blade movies are there?
I don't know. I don't care.
Someone's gonna be mad about that one.
Oh my god, you're telling me you're not Blade's #1 fan?
Who's the starting Blade?
I don't know.
Keanu Reeves.
And I don't care. Denzel Washington? No, Samuel L. Jackson.
That was the day the earth stood still. Oh, fell.
Oh, you're thinking of The Rock in Journey to the Center of the Earth.
No, I'm thinking of the new movie Jumanji. Do you think if I used a wood blade, it'd work a little bit better?
No, I don't. But we're experimenting here, so go right ahead.
You know.
See, your problem is you're using DeWalt blades in a Milwaukee.
Okay, but Milwaukee shit is like 5 times more expensive.
And 5 times better.
Oh, so you're saying I'd only get 45 seconds rather than like
Yes.
10?
No, DeWalt really went to shit. They make fucking garbage now.
Someone in the comments gonna have something to say about that one.
No, I don't think anybody can fucking argue that.
Yeah, I'm pretty much knowing that blade too. Alright, I'm gonna use the fucking hacksaw, because the hacksaw has yet to fail me.
We don't have enough battery life to film 45 minutes of hacksaw.
There's no better way like the old school way, okay?
Handcrafted.
By American hands, on American soil, on an American car.
Only at Hickory Farms.
I'm tired.
Oh, this is it.
I don't know what was going on there. So they just turn You said it was a bad idea.
It was a bad idea. It's still a bad idea.
No. You see how well it worked?
Ladies and gentlemen, only use proper OSHA-approved techniques.
That's a lie.
Don't try this at home.
Nothing has ever been done correctly. Alright. It's gonna be at a name. Stupid muffler. Stupid muff.
Doesn't matter to me. I think it looks fine.
Do it like that.
Also, they, made a fucking square hole for round pipe, so that's kind of on them, not us.
And that'll work with this bracket, and then we'll just have to make a crossbar and then a bolt that'll go through that, and it'll hold it up for now. Yeah, that's kind of a stretch. Not today, fam.
Before every weld. The struggle to burp.
That's how you know you phase into alcoholism, is when you can't burp. Not really.
Gone too far. I wish only the best for you.
I wish you survived the worst years of your life.
I hope when you have your midlife crisis, you buy something stupid.
I hope you get a Ferrari before you die. Alright, let's see, we're doing this with my eyes open.
I hope you buy a base model Mustang.
V6!
V6! Yeah, OSHA. Yeah, he's not wearing his safety equipment. Can you send down a representative?
Oh! Straight to the eye socket.
Yeah, that's worse than the welding.
Probably equal to the welding, actually.
10,000 lumens right to the pupil.